Okay, I just got it started a little bit, but I want to show you that pin we was talking about earlier. Let me get a little light in here. Man, it's really hard to see, but you can see that hole. Okay, and the pin. Man, I wish I had some better light here. Yeah, I can't get it, but anyways. Need to compress that pin. Okay, you can see it right there. Just enough light. It tipped my finger. Push that pin down and pull the drive shaft on. Now the drive shaft will move in and out. There's some play in it. So before you get the motor too close, you start working on lining that up. Now if you turn that shaft, that little pin will drop out, so just be careful. Now to remove the drive shaft, you need a tool. Like I got this little screwdriver. And I'll stick that little screwdriver into that hole, press down, push that little pin, and then slide it out. Okay, anyways, it's almost ready to go on now. I'm just going to go ahead and slide it on. Let me set the camera down. I got to compress that pin a little bit with this little screwdriver. And bam, it's on. That's it. Drive shaft assembly is on. Okay, now that shaft will slide back up in there and we'll put this boot back on. I fold the boot back when I'm working on it, but it's on there and it's not going to come off unless I was to pick this screwdriver and push that little hole, push that down and then pry back, it'll pop right off. But it's on now. That's the first step, putting the motor in. Okay, now we're going to do some engine mounts, and engine mounts are fairly simple. I mean, when you take it apart, you'll see. You got one on this side, we got this assembly right here for the front, and it's just a combination. I mean, it's definitely easier with a friend. I do it by myself all the time, but it's easier with a friend getting everything lined up. Got your other engine mount here, which will go right there. When you put that on, this long bolt will go through there, through the hole in the engine. And it's just like I said, it's a monkeying around, but you can get it. After you get the back engine mount on, you can go ahead and put your piece of frame on. This piece of frame here, bolt that on there and bolt it up there, and then you can work on your front mount. But you know, if you're mechanically inclined, you'll figure it out. Okay, well, I'll get these engine mounts on. Like I said, it's just a matter of tipping the motor at the right angle, jacking it up and down. Won't take long. Get those engine mounts on there, we'll be ready to put it back on the big jack and hook all the other stuff up.